Hello students. Today we gonna start with the new poem of class 11th of book Hornbill, and the name of the poem is The Voice of the Rain, and it's written by Walt Whitman. He was an American poet, an essayist and a journalist. So let's start with the central idea of the poem. This poem is a short free verse poem, means it's without any rhyming scheme, और ये poem एक dialogues के form में लिखी गई है. It's a conversation, imaginary conversation between the poet and the rain droplets. But we find this poem signifies the eternal role that the rain plays in nurturing, quenching, nourishing, and purifying the various elements of earth. The rain itself is explaining to the reader about its origin, work, and its cyclic movement. तो इस पोएम में रेन पोइट को बता रही है कि मैं कहाँ से जन्म लेती हूँ, क्या मेरा रोल है, मैं क्या काम करती हूँ इस अर्थ पर, और वापस मैं जहाँ से जन्म लेती हूँ वहीं पर मिल जाती हूँ. तो ये साइकिल जो है ये पूरा कंटिन्यू रहता है, कभी भी ख़त्म ना होने वाला अनएंडिंग साइकिल है. इसके बारे में जो रेन है वो पोइट को बता रही है. अब यहाँ पर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट poetic device यूज हुआ है and that is personification. Personification is a literary device that assigns human qualities and attributes to objects or other non-human things. For example, if I am saying the moon is playing hide and seek, it means I am assigning some human qualities to the moon. To make my statement more effective, I have used personification device here. So here we have some more examples of this device, like justice is blind, the sun smiled at us, the city never sleeps, the car coughed before starting. अब इस पोएम में भी हम यही देख रहे हैं कि जो रेन है वो तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, येट द पोएट ट्रीट्स इट लाइक लिविंग थिंग्स. सो द रेन हैज बीन पर्सोनिफाइड एज इट हैज बीन गिवन अ वॉइस. Now let's talk about some of the new and difficult words in the poem. Eternal, it means never ending. Impalpable, which cannot be described. Vaguely, not clearly. Descend, come down. Lave, wash. Atom is small particles. And latent means hidden or buried. तो अब शुरू करते हैं पोएम की लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower. In the poem, the poet asks the soft falling shower, the poet asks the rain, who are you? Which, strange to tell, give me an answer as here translated. Okay, we see the poet is asking a question from the rain, and it's a strange thing for the rain to reply to the poet. She answers him back. And she says, I'm the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Here we see that the rain is comparing itself to the poem of the earth. So here we have again another literary device, and that is metaphor. Metaphor अब वो literary device है where we compared two dissimilar things, और यहाँ पर वो दो dissimilar things जो बिल्कुल भी similar नहीं है फिर भी उनका comparison किया जा रहा है, वो है rain and poem. रेन यहाँ पर अपने आप को कंपेयर कर रही है अर्थ की पोएम के साथ. Eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. In these lines, the rain says that it's the poem of earth and it rises continuously from the land and bottomless ocean in the form of vapors. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same, I descend to leave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe. The rain tells the poet that it rises upwards toward the sky in the form of vapors where it changes its form, where it condenses into water droplets. It also says that although its form gets changed, it still remains the same. The rain comes down to wash the drought and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. Here the rain tells that the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. Rain gives life to the seeds. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. The rain says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. रेन का कहना है कि जहाँ से मैं जन्म लेती हूँ उसी जगह को डे एंड नाइट मैं फिर से सींच लेती हूँ और अर्थ को प्योर और ब्यूटीफाई तो करती ही हूँ, साथ ही में मेरा लाइफ साइकिल फिर से प्रिपेयर हो जाता है. First song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. Students, the last two lines are in the bracket because it's not the conversation or dialogues between the poet and the rain droplets, but it's the thoughts that's going on in the poet's mind. Here, he's comparing rain with the song. And these last lines draw a parallel between rain and music. Here, the poet compares the life cycle of the rain and the song. As the song originated from the heart of the singer, wanders to the world, whether liked or not, comes back to its birthplace in the end with lots of love. Similarly, the rain that originates from earth, that is its birthplace, fulfills its duty to beautify and purify the earth and wanders and comes back with love for its creator. Thus, we see that through the voice of the rain, the writer wants to portray the life of rain and how it's like a song. तो यहाँ आपकी पोएम खत्म होती है और अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर. First question is, there are two voices in the poem. Who they belong to? Which lines indicate this? So we already know that there are two voices and one voice poet की थी and the other voice belongs to the rain. So the answer is one of them belongs to the poet and the other to the rain. Following lines indicate this. और वो lines कौन सी थी? And who art thou? ये poet की line थी और रिप्लाई किया था रेन ने, आई एम द पोएम ऑफ अर्थ. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज द फ्रेज स्ट्रेंज टू टेल मीन्स. अब जब पोइट ने क्वेश्चन किया और रेन ने वापस रिप्लाई बैक किया तो स्ट्रेंज तो होगा ही. द फ्रेज स्ट्रेंज टू टेल, it refers to a strange phenomenon. It's surprising that the rain gives an answer to the poet's query. Question 3. There is a parallel drawn between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. अब रेन और म्यूजिक के बीच जहाँ सिमिलैरिटी दिखाई गई है वो लाइंस कौन सी हैं? द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स या फ्रेजेस इंडिकेट द पैरेलल बिटवीन रेन एंड म्यूजिक. पोएम ऑफ अर्थ, for song duly with love returns. Both originate from a source. Rise up, reach fulfillment, wonder about whether cared about or not, and finally return to source of origin with love. And last question, how is the cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem The Voice of the Rain? The rain calls itself the poem of earth. It originates from the land and the deep sea. Then it rises upward to heaven, where it changes its form into a cloud. From the sky, it pours down on earth and wash away the dust layer of the earth. And this cycle continues. Rain gives back life to its own origin, making it pure and beautiful. With this all, I end the video here. See you again. And yes, if you want to know more, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay healthy. Jai Hind.